Hey guys, it's a girl Isra, aka is always glowing. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a PR unboxing. Before we get into the video, I just want to say a big thank you to everybody who supports me, because without you guys, I wouldn't be able to get this stuff. So honestly, thank you so much, and a big thank you to the brands that send me PR. You guys know I love makeup and I just love playing around with new bits, so thank you so much. I'm honestly so grateful. But yeah, I just wanted to say a big thank you to all of you guys, and yeah, let's just get straight into it. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the biggest one, and also we can see the logo. I think you know who this is from. This is from Beauty of Joseon. I already know what this is because it was a campaign that I signed up to, but you know, we'll just open it together. So it's a tinted SPF, and they've sent me the whole range, which has 12 shades. So I will be doing a giveaway on my Instagram, so make sure to follow me. I will also be doing one on YouTube, but I just have to figure out the logistics on how to do it on YouTube. But I think for now it might be easier on my Instagram. So yeah, if you want a chance to win one of these, and obviously you get to pick your shade, please do follow me on Instagram and just keep an eye out for the giveaway. These 3 shades are perfect for my skin tone. Let's open it up. So the packaging is looking really cute. This is their Daily Tinted Fluid Sunscreen SPF 30. And I have actually tried this because I actually had to film a video for this, and I really like the formula. It's really nice. It doesn't peel and it sits really nicely on top of the skin. Next we have this package from Byoma. Sorry, I have to be careful not to show my address by accident. Yeah. Let's open it up together. Oh my gosh. Wait. So let's see. So glass skin boosted by barrier science, your duo for bouncy glowing skin. So we have their Milky toner and their glow serum. Let's take a look. I've actually seen this brand all over my TikTok. Oh my gosh. Okay, so packaging is cute. I'm really liking the matte finish on it. Also, I like the shape of them. This is really cute. Obviously, I'm not going to try the toner on because obviously I've got a full face of makeup on, but I just want to see the consistency. Okay, so let's have a look at the consistency. Oh, it's thick. It's a bit like an essence. I feel like it's not as thick as a serum, but it's thicker than the usual toner. I'm actually really excited to use that. Next is their Mucin Glow Serum. I might have said that completely wrong. Please allow me. Don't get onto me if I've actually pronounced that wrong. Oh wait, there's a little sticker on it. Alright, I finally got the sticker off. Let's actually get open. Oh, okay. I was actually expecting a pipette sort of applicator. See the consistency. Oh, okay. So it's clear. It's quite thick. The consistency feels really nice and thick. I definitely feel like this would be good for prepping your skin for makeup. So I'm definitely going to try those 2 out. Okay, so I've had to open these off camera because it's a little bit difficult with my nails. But I already know, when I see a red envelope, I know it's from Rimmel London, and I love their packages. So let's see if I'm right. Ah, I was right. It is Rimmel. Oh my gosh. I actually love Rimmel London. They're one of my favorite brands. I love the fact that I'm on their PR list. I still can't believe that. Rimmel, if you see this video, I love you so much. I love your product. Multitasker is my favorite. I always use it underneath my foundation. I've actually got it on today. So yeah, big shout out to Rimmel. I love Rimmel London. But anyways, let's get straight into the products. Oh my gosh, guys. All right, cool. So we've got the Oh My glosses, but these are their lip oils in these 3 shades. These are not new. I actually tried these before and I really love them. So thank you so much for the top up. If I had to pick my fave, it would be this color. This is my favorite, I'm not gonna lie. Obviously the formula is the same across all of them, but if it was up to a shade, this would be my go-to. Next we have their Oh My Butter Me Up Butter Balms. Now these are new. I was kindly gifted these before, but in different shades. So I think I had caramel, mocha and vanilla, and I believe this is red velvet, this is bubblegum, and this is coral breeze. So these are the 3 shades. I'm not gonna lie, bubblegum is actually screaming out to me. I don't know if we should try it. Should we try it on camera, guys? I'm gonna try it. I feel like this shade is gonna be gorgeous. This is how the applicator looks. I actually love this sort of applicator. Wow, look at that color. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so pretty. Okay, spectacular. I'm gonna need 14. Gosh, this is so pretty. Oh my god, no, I love it. I love it. I have to add a bit more just because I want a bit more pigment. And that is shade Bubblegum. It actually looks so pretty. Oh my god, no, I love it. And the formula is so hydrating, and look at that shine. If you know me, you know I love a glossy lip, so this is definitely a bit of me. The next package we're gonna open up is from Revolution, and I'm guessing it's their new mascara. So let's open it up. Yep, it's their new mascara. I was right. So it's water resistant, 1 swipe, mega length, lift and volume. It's powered by 2% wide lash serum. Let me know if you guys would want a video. I'm not gonna lie, when I get a package from Revolution, like it really does hit a bit different for me, because it was literally one of the first brands I ever used when I started makeup when I was about, how old was I, like 16 or 17? I'm now 27. So like 10 years ago, I was there buying Revolution and Superdrugs, and then 10 years later, they're sending me PR. Like, it's just amazing. Yeah, it's just a bit of a, I guess, like full circle moment almost. It just hits a little bit different. So a big thank you to Revolution. Honestly, you guys have like a special place in my heart. Now we have the last package to open. So I don't know who it's from. So let's like open it together. Wait, you guys tell me who it is. I actually can't say this brand properly. I don't want to embarrass myself on the internet. But I actually see this brand all over my For You page, and their products look so good. Oh my god, let's see what he sent me. Okay, there's a few goodies in here. I don't want them to drop. Oh gosh. So we have their Infinite Mascara. Love that. Another mascara. Then we have their, what's this? Antimatter lipstick. Let's have a look at the shade. Ooh, this shade is definitely a bit of me. Oh my gosh, guys, I wish we opened this one before the Rimmel one, because how nice would this have looked underneath Bubblegum? I think we've got to do another lip combo. I'm just gonna line my lips. This is the e.l.f. Glide lip liner. You guys know how much I love this in my last video. Okay, let's try the lipstick. Let me just show you guys. Okay, ready? Let's go. Let's do one swipe. Okay, so first impressions, the formula feels really nice. It doesn't feel dry, or like, you know, sometimes when matte lipsticks like make your mouth feel dry and make your lips feel weird or uncomfortable. Like, this doesn't do that at all. The formula is really nice. Yeah, it's really nice. It glides on. Yeah, it's cute. Okay, now let's top it off with Bubblegum. So, are you Bubblegum? I actually can't get over this applicator. It's so nice. Look at that. That's such a pretty pink. Lipstick is in the shade Bang, and this is how it looks underneath Bubblegum. Obviously, you guys saw how it looked by itself. I think it looks really pretty with Bubblegum. Yeah, no, the formula is really nice, and it's such a pretty color. Next is their blush, and just look at that color. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, we'll open up right now. So this is their powder blush. This is in the shade Katie. I'm not sure if it's picking it up on camera. I might have to flip to back camera to show you guys, but it's a really nice, like, pale, cool tone pink. I feel like this would be a really nice mid-tone blush. Next is their mattifier. So I'm assuming this is like some sort of like primer or something. Let's look at the packaging. Oh, packaging is cute. This is how it looks inside. So you get this little like spoon thing that you can take off. Not spoon, I mean applicator. It kind of does look like a little spoon though. And lastly, we have their mascara. Let's have a look at the wand. I really hope it's like a flat wand. Yeah, I like a flat wand. I feel like I won't be able to test this out because I already have mascara on my lower lashes, so I don't feel like it will be like a really fair test, but I just wanted to show you guys the mascara. Thing I'm most excited to try next is actually these two, like this duo. I feel like this will be so good for skin prep underneath makeup. I'm also really intrigued by this mascara as well. Like, I've never used a tube of mascara before. I will be doing a giveaway, as you can see, because I've got so many shades. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to follow my Instagram and keep an eye out on my stories for any updates regarding the giveaway. And that was my PR from the last week. I hope you guys enjoyed. I just wanted to say again, like, a big thank you to all of you guys who support me, because without you I wouldn't have these opportunities, and a big thank you to the brands that actually give me these opportunities. I just want to let you guys know how grateful I am for your support, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.